Welcome to the Meditation Channel. This meditation is designed to help you unwind at the end of the day, maybe to settle in before you go to sleep. So, if you haven't already, close your eyes, lie down if you like, or you can also sit up. And beginning to follow your breath in and out. And as you breathe in, just breathe in the energy around you. And as you breathe out, release that stress, that heaviness of the day. Essentially, you're restoring balance within you, allowing yourself to be centered, to be aware and present. And gently scanning your body now, beginning at the top of your head and moving down. Down your eyebrows, your eyes, your temples, your cheeks, your nose, your mouth. And as you scan, just be aware of any tension, any negativity, anything at all that is a little off. And if you do find something, just tell your body, relax, you are safe. And on the out-breath, release it. Moving down the back of your head, your ears, melting down your neck, releasing that tension, opening up the body. Moving down your shoulders, your chest, your upper back. Just paying attention, feeling and listening. Moving down the top of your arms to your elbows, back to your chest, your stomach, your middle back and your lower back. Checking inside the organs and anything that you may feel is holding on to heaviness and tension. Once again, allow your body to open up, allow the muscles to relax. And moving down your forearms, your wrists, your hands, all the way to your fingertips. And moving back to your hips, your buttocks, your groin area. Breathing into that part of your body and releasing anything and all. Moving down the top of your legs, your knees, your shins, your calves, your ankles. And moving the top of your feet, the soles of your feet, until your tippy toes. And now expanding a little bit outside of your energy field, feeling your aura and trusting your intuition here. If you could see your aura, your energy field right now, notice if there are any leaks, any attachments, anything at all that catches your attention. And if you do find anything, invite that part of your body to gently and lovingly relax as well, sending a pure white light. And now calling forth your spiritual team, inviting them to assist you through this healing, through this meditation. And visualizing a beautiful white light shine above you now, gently falling down and surrounding your body. Moving down the top of your head, your shoulders, your body, all the way to your feet. It almost feels like you're receiving an energetic hug of love, of peace. Bathing in this pure white light, feeling yourself connect to some higher power. And so just enjoying this moment, allowing yourself to completely let go now. And as you relax in this energy, beginning to take a moment to think about your day. Just reminiscing and noticing what happened. The moments that stand out, the moments that you may have forgotten. The positives, the so-called negatives, anything at all, just scanning through. And so noticing the things that you wish you could have changed or done better. And just sending those parts of you throughout the day some love, some compassion, some healing. And more importantly, learning from them, knowing that because of them you now are wiser and know how to be and do better. So using these moments to empower you. And if you need to shift a memory to allow it to imprint a positive memory, do so. And now shifting focus to gratitude. Taking a moment to be grateful for the positive things that have happened throughout your day today. And as you breathe in, amplify that gratitude and notice where that energy lives in your body. Enjoying waves of abundance, of joy, of love. And moving these frequencies now to the next day. Really bathing in this moment, appreciating every second of it. Understanding that there will never be a day like this ever again. And so now unifying the wisdom and the gratitude, all of the experiences that you had today into one. Placing them all in your heart and allowing your heart to be filled with all of these emotions. And that beautiful white light that was above you now entering your heart and purifying your heart. Inviting in the healing, the guidance, and something else. Inviting in spiritual blessings. And so now feeling that energy expand in your heart and expand beyond your heart. Feeling this divine light now moving through your entire body, healing your body and repairing and restoring anything that is out of alignment. Embracing this powerful activation, this powerful manifestation that will move into your night, move into the following day. Embracing any messages, any information that you may receive at this time. And inviting in now sacred codes and sacred energies that allow you to align even more with who you are and your highest path. Helping you now throughout your evening and sleep to receive messages, healing, and guidance. Inviting in clarity, abundance, purity. Allowing you also to receive sacred energies so that they can activate the sacred secrets and gifts that are within you. Allowing you to repair and to be your highest and purest self. And so breathing in, breathing out this light and allow it now to expand beyond your body as if you are now one with this light and glowing in this light. And now it's time to set your intention for the evening, for your sleep. Whatever you wish to do now, whether it is to receive messages, to receive healing or information, Set that intention now. And it's time now to gently return back. Expanding your awareness outwards, beginning to feel the temperature of the air, feeling your breath. Gently and slowly returning back. When it feels right, come back and open your eyes.